difference in series and parallel circuits from Ohm's law, and then check it with a multimeter to check the answers that the answers are correct. First, I will be drawing a series circuit with 220 ohm and 470 ohm resistance. Now we'll draw a table. We already know that the resistance and volts. We will first calculate the total resistance. Now we will calculate the total current. We can also calculate it to amperes to milliamperes. Calculating voltage going across each resistor. Now we will calculate current across both resistors. Now we will be measuring current across the second resistor. In series circuit, the current remains the same, but voltage changes. Check the calculations from yesterday by a multimeter. For simulation, we don't want amperes. 5 volts. We will check the voltage across the first resistor. 1.59 volts. 1.59, which also can be 1.6. Now we will check the voltage going across the second resistor. 3.41 volts. We can see our calculation was correct of voltage. So the voltage divides across each resistor in this series circuit. 1.6 volts and 3.4 volts is equal to 5 volts. Now we will measure amperage. 7.2 milliamperes, which is also 0.00725 amperes, which is equal to our answer. Now we will measure current across first resistor. 7.25 milliamperes, which is same as our answer. The voltage changes but current remains the same in our series circuit. Now we will measure the total resistance. Resistance of the first resistor 220, second resistor 470, it's 690 ohms is the total resistance, which is 690 ohms that we calculated yesterday. Tomorrow we will calculate resistance, current and voltage in a parallel circuit. Bye bye.